Matrices Part 5.
Hi, hello everyone. So for this session we will discuss few problems. So see the first problem. Show that determinant of 1a square, 1b b square, 1c c square. That is a minus b minus c and c minus c. So consider LHS. So what is that? 1a square, 1b b square, 1c c square. So clear, this is what? R1 and this is R2 row, this is R3 row. And this is C1, second column C2, this is third column C3. So here on RHS A minus B minus C minus C. So here you want A minus B. So for that you have to do R1 minus R2. See here clearly you will get A minus B. When if you do R1 minus R2 then you will get A minus B. So therefore R1 changes as R1 minus R2. See here R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1 A minus B, A square minus B square. Okay. So see the next one, B minus C. So how to get B minus C? See here R2 is 1b b square, R3 is 1c c square. If we do R2 implies R2 minus R3. So clearly you will get B minus C. So that is 1 minus 1 B minus C, B square minus C square. So 1c c square. Okay. This is what? 0. And this is A minus B. And this is A minus B into A plus B. And here 0 B minus C, B minus C into B plus C. Next 1c c square. So clearly from first row A minus B is common, and from second row B minus C is common. So that is A minus B into B minus C. So what is the remaining value? 0, 1 A plus B. Here 0, 1 B plus C. So 0, 1 B plus C, 1c c square. Now find the determinant of this using first curl. So this is what? A minus B, B minus C. And this is what? 0 into something 0, minus 0 into something 0, plus 1 into, delete the corresponding row and corresponding column. So what you get? This one, B plus C into 1, B plus C minus A plus B. So clearly BB it can check. Now what you get? A minus B, B minus C and C minus C. So this is what? RHS. So see the next one. Show that determinant of this is 2 times of this determinant. So consider the LHS. So what is LHS? Determinant of B plus C, C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus C. So now you have to find this value is 2 times of this determinant. For that we have to do R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. So then you will get what? B plus B 2B, C plus C 2C, A plus A 2A. So you will get 2. So that's why here R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So that is B plus B 2B, C plus C 2C, A plus A 2A. So that is what? 2 times of A plus B plus C. And again here also you will get 2 times of A plus B plus C. So add these three. Again you will get 2 times of A plus B plus C. So remaining gas is C plus A plus B, A plus B, B plus C, B plus C, C plus C. So now clearly from first row, which one is common? 2 is common. So therefore this is A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, C plus A plus B, A plus B, B plus C, B plus C, C plus C. See here, but in RHS all values are single terms. See here, first row containing all are single terms and remaining 2 rows also containing single terms. So but here sum of 3 terms, sum of 2 terms. So here we have to reduce sum of 3 terms to single term. So for that, see here, here A, here B, here A, here B, here BC, BC, and here CA, CA. So do R1 implies R1 minus R2 or R3, anyone. So here also CA, CA. Next AB, AB, BC, BC. So here R1 implies R1 minus R2. Okay. So what will you get? A plus B plus C minus C plus C. So clearly CA get cancelled. B is left. So 2 times of B. Here AB get cancelled, C left. Next here BC get cancelled, A left. See the remaining terms are as it is. C plus A plus B, A plus B, B plus C, B plus C, C plus C. Now see here BCA. See the last row, A plus B, B plus C, C plus C. So here B, B, both are same, and C, C same, and A is same. So do R3 implies R3 minus R1. So R3 implies R3 minus R1. So what you will get? 2 times of B, C, A, C plus A plus B, B plus C. See here R3 minus R1, A plus B minus B, A, and B plus C minus C, B, C plus A minus C, C. See here what is the second row? Sum of the 2 terms. So again we have to reduce into single term. So for that, see here A, B, B, C, C. So do R2 minus R3. Therefore R2 implies R2 minus R3. So this is what? 2 times of B, C, A, C plus A minus A, C, A plus B minus B, A, B plus C minus C, B, A, B, C. So clearly all terms are single terms. But your answer is what? ABC, BCA, CAB. So here ABC in first row, but here last row. So interchanging the R1 and R3. So one property is there. If you interchange either rows or columns, then sign of the determinants also changes. So that is minus 2 times of ABC, CAB, BCA. But here in second row BCA is there. Here in third row. Again interchanging R2 and R3. So again sign of the determinants also changes. So that is 2 times of ABC, BCA, CAB. So this is the required answer. So see the next one. Show that this determinant value is A plus B plus C whole cube. So consider the LHS. What is LHS value? So see here you want A plus B plus C. So clearly here minus B to B minus C to C. If you add these three, so what will you get? A minus B plus 2B is B, minus C plus 2C is C. So clearly you will get A plus B plus C. When if you add R1, R2, R3, then you will get A plus B plus C. So for that R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, see here. So what you get? Minus B plus 2B plus B, that is A plus B, minus C plus 2C plus C. And here 2A minus A plus B minus C plus 2C plus C. So here also we will get A plus B plus C. So remaining are same, 2B, 2C, B minus C minus A, 2C, 2B, C minus A minus B. So clearly from first row all are A plus B plus C. Therefore A plus B plus C is common from the first row. That is A plus B plus C into 1, 2B, 2C, 1, B minus C minus A, 2C, 1, 2B, C minus A minus B. Okay. Now here again you want A plus B plus C because of cube is there. So one A plus B plus C is outside. So remaining A plus B plus C whole square is there. Again A plus B plus C you want. So for that see here if you do C1 minus C2. See here 2B minus B, B minus of minus C plus C minus of minus A plus C. So clearly C1 implies C1 minus C2. For this is what? A plus B plus C. 1 minus 1, 0, 2B minus B, B minus into minus C plus C, minus into minus A plus C. That is A plus B plus C. And again 2C minus 2C, 0. So remaining terms are same, 1 B minus C minus A, 2C, 1, 2B, C minus A minus B. Okay. Now clearly from first column A plus B plus C is common. So A plus B plus C whole square. So what are the remaining terms? 0, 1, 0. Next one 1 B minus C minus A, 2C. Next one 1 2B C minus A minus B. Okay. So now find this determinant. You will get A plus B plus C. See here that is A plus B plus C whole square. So you are taking first call. So first one 0, second one minus 1 into. So delete the corresponding row, corresponding column. So 1 into this one. C minus A minus B minus 2C into 1. Minus 2C. So plus 0. So this is what? A plus B plus C whole square. So this is minus of A plus B plus C. So clearly this is what? A plus B plus C whole cube. So see the next one. Show that this determinant value is 2 times of A plus B plus C whole cube. So consider LHS. So see here what is the answer? 2 times of A plus B plus C whole cube. If you add C1, C2, C3. So what will you get? A plus A 2A, B plus B 2B plus 2C. So clearly we will get 2 times of A plus B plus C. So that's why our C1 interchanges to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Therefore this is 2 times of a plus b plus c. Here also c plus c 2c, b plus b 2b plus 2b. So again we will get 2 times of a plus b plus c. So for this one also 2 times of a plus b plus c. So remaining a, b plus c plus 2a, a. Next one b, b, c plus a plus 2b. Okay. So clearly from first column, which one is common? 2 times of a plus b plus c. This is 2 times of a plus b plus c is common. So remaining terms are 1, 1. Here a, b plus c plus 2a, a, b, b, c plus a plus 2b. Okay. Now see here a plus b plus c whole cube is there. Again you want a plus b plus c. So for that, see here b plus c plus 2a, here a. So do R2 minus R1 or R2 minus R3. So anyone. See here R2 implies R2 minus R1. So what will you get? 2 times of a plus b plus c. So these are same. 1 minus 1. See here R2 minus R1. 0. B plus c plus 2a minus a. 2a minus a is a. That is a plus b plus c. B minus b. 0. Next here. Again you want a plus b plus c. So for that R3 implies R3 minus R1. See here 2b minus b is b. B plus c plus c. So that is 1 minus 1 0. A minus a 0. C plus a plus 2b minus b. That is a plus b plus c. So clearly from second row a plus b plus c common. From third row a plus b plus c common. So that is 2 times of a plus b plus c whole cube into determinant of 1ab 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now clearly this is what? 2 times of a plus b plus c whole cube. So what is this determinant? 1. Therefore this is 2 times of a plus b plus c whole cube. So this is the required answer. So see here next one. Here a square 1 plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube, c square 1 plus c cube. So whose determinant is 0 and this is not is equals to 0. Then show that ABC is minus 1. So consider this value. So clearly third column is what? Sum of the two terms. So you know if any row or any column is the sum of the two terms, then the determinant write as a sum of the two determinants. Okay. So clearly this can be written as a square, write first terms that are 1, b square 1, c square 1, plus again a square second terms that is a cube, b square b cube, c square c cube is equals to what? 0. So clearly from first row a is common, from second row b is common, from third row c is common. So this is a square 1, b square 1, c square 1. So plus a b c is common. So what will you get? 1 a square, 1 b square, 1 c square is equals to 0. So observe these two. Here last column is all are ones, but here first column. So you have to interchange C1 and C3. So interchanging C1 and C3. If you interchange the columns, then sign of the determinant also changes. So that is a square 1, b square 1, C square 1 minus ABC into, so write A square B square C square ABC 1 1 1 is equals to what? 0. Again here from first, so again here first column is ABC, but here in second column, so again interchange C1 to C2. So this becomes, see here, A square 1, B square 1, C square 1. So again sign of the determinants also changes. That is ABC, A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 is 0. So clearly from these two terms, this determinant is common. So that is A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 is common. You get 1 plus ABC is 0. So but here A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 is not is equals to 0. So that is given. But here product of the terms is 0 and this term should be not is equals to 0. Then clearly 1 plus ABC is equals to 0. So therefore ABC value is what? Minus 1. So see the next one. So first consider A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B whole square. So this can be written as A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B into again A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. So now multiplying these two, so what will you get? ABC into ABC. A into A square, B into B square, A into C, AC. This is what? First row, first column element. But here 2BC minus A square is there. So don't multiply directly. So see here 2BC minus A square you want. So for that interchanging the R2 and R3. If you interchange the rows, then sign of the determinants also changes. That is ABC, BCA, CAB. You will get minus, multiply that minus with the first row. That is minus A, minus B, minus C. So here CAB, BCA. Now we will get what? Minus A square. So that's why here multiplying minus with the first row. Now multiplying these two matrices. So what you will get? First row, first column. That is A into minus A square, B into C plus BC, again plus BC. Now first row, second column. So what is that? Minus AB plus AB plus C square. Next to first row, third column. What is that? Minus AC plus B square plus C. Next one, second row, first column. That is minus AB plus C square plus AB. So see the next one, minus B square plus AC plus C. Next second row, third column. Minus BC plus BC plus C square. Next third row, first column. Minus AC plus AC plus B square. Next minus BC plus A square plus BC. Next one, minus C square plus AB plus CB. So see here, minus AB plus AB minus AC plus AC minus BC plus BC. minus AB plus AB minus AC plus AC minus BC plus BC get cancelled. So this is what 2BC minus A square. Next one C square B square C square 2AC minus B square A square. Next B square A square 2AB minus C square. So clearly you will get this one. This is the equation 1. So now again consider this value, that is ABC BCA CAB whole square. So find this determinant, that is A into, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column, that is BC minus A square minus B into B square minus AC, next plus C into AB minus C square. So whole square. So this is what ABC here plus ABC plus ABC. This is 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube whole square. So clearly this is what A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. This is equation 2. So clearly this one, equation 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore 1 is equals to 2. That means ABC BCA CAB whole square and equation 1 and equation 2. So these are all equal. So see the next one. Show that this determinant value is ABC into A minus B into B minus C into C minus C. So for that consider LHS. So from first column A is common, from second column B is common, from third column C is common. So clearly ABC is common. You will get 1 A square, 1 B square, 1 C square. Okay. So you got ABC. You want A minus B. See here A, here B. If you do C1 minus C2, so what will you get? A minus B. So that's why C1 implies C1 minus C2. Next you want B minus C. Here B, here C. So do C2 implies C2 minus C3. So therefore this is ABC. C1 minus C2. 1 minus 1. 0. A minus B. A square minus B square. Next here 1 minus 1. 0. B minus C. B square minus C square. 1 C square. Now again this is ABC into 0 0 1. Here A minus B, B minus C, C. A square minus B square write as A minus B into A plus B. Next one, this one, B minus C into B plus C. This is C square. So clearly from first column A minus B common, from second column B minus C is common. So this is A B C into A minus B into B minus C. So clear this is what? 0 1 A plus B, 0 1 B plus C, 1 C C square. Now find this determinant. So what will you get? A B C, A minus B, B minus C, C 0 minus 0 plus 1 into. So delete the corresponding column, corresponding row. You will get plus 1 into B plus C minus of A plus B. Therefore, this is what? ABC, A minus B, B minus C, C minus C. So, this is the required answer. So, see here next one. Show that this determinant is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, AB plus BC plus C. So, further consider LHS. See here first one you want A minus B. See here, this is a square, b square. So do r1 minus r2. So that is r1 implies r1 minus r2. So from that you will get a minus b. Next one, b minus c. So your b term is there, your c term is there. So do r2 implies r2 minus r. So what is this value? 1 minus 1, 0. A square minus b square, a cube minus b. Next one, r2 minus r3. That is 0. B square minus c square, b cube minus c cube. So 1 c square c cube. Now this is what? 0 a minus b into a plus b. Next, a cube minus b cube formula. That is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Next one, 0 b minus c into b plus c. b cube minus c cube formula. b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square. 1 c square c cube. So clearly from first row a minus b common, from second row b minus c is common. So this is a minus b, b minus c is common. So what is the remaining value? 0 a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Second row, 0 b plus c, b square plus bc plus c square. Plus third row, 1 c square c cube. See here, next one you want c minus a. So how to get c minus a? So once you observe second row and first row. See here, if you do r2 minus r1, you will get bb get cancelled, you will get c minus c. So that's why here do r2 implies r2 minus r1. So that is what? A minus b, b minus c into 0 a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Next 0. Here bb get cancelled. You will get c minus b. So next one, this one minus this. That is b square plus bc plus c square minus a square plus ab plus b square. So clearly plus b square minus b square get cancelled. Here c square minus a square plus bc minus ab. So this can be written as c minus a into c plus a, and here b is common, you will get c minus a. Now c minus a is common, you will get c plus a plus b. So clearly second row third column element is what? C minus a plus b plus c, and this is 1 c square c cube. Now again this is what? A minus b, b minus c. So from second row c minus a is common. So you will get 0 a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Next one, 0 1 a plus b plus c. Next 1 c square c cube. Okay. Now find this determinant. That is a minus b, b minus c, c minus c. So taking first column, this is 0 0. Last one is 1 into a plus b into a plus b plus c. A plus b into a plus b plus c minus a square plus ab plus b square. So this is a minus b, b minus c, c minus c. So simplify this, you will get AB plus BC plus CA. So this is the required answer. So for next session, we will discuss more problems.